siêu Evie, cái miếng siêu yếu ấy, cái miếng siêu P.
September we met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you were impressed.
Veta uncle dona, veta kan ui kan try dona. Aketin dengan tan dona ui share hmeltha hmangaih top ni ui boite. Scarlett. Hey Zimba, where are we gonna bring her?
Going to the vet.
Veta kan try don vetiang. Yeah, veti and vet same, right? Like veti.
Veterinarian.
Uncle don siani. You can go ahead.
I guess I'll lock it. Just gotta keep...
Baby, show me your mask. They're gonna be so proud of you, baby. Look.
Yeah.
Hey, go take care. Scarlett po ready to. Oh. Ui, hey, gan ui te chu khoi tha kom no to mo in lau dam le. Ve kem kai hmuh le ta mo kan va chuak nga kan chua na te karom vlog char don kai hmuh le vek don nya o. In ngai om don to hei in chu pa ber den kan chua don bo se te kan in chei ve mo. Khwa hi alum lo ma se hiu met to mo. Chuin lo share tur nya. Cái chơi về nó khóc mẹ ai mẹ chín mình là chơi lâu về khóc anh nhá càng cald đón chứ ai cả ra càng trong to Zimba này thì Zimba lâu chứ bây Scarlett này em tao không ai thà cầm top này mẹ cái nụ in motor cald đón á cho nên cầm bazarang you bring your ATM card. Scarlett, look this side and then la khurung char khon thlang top no meow char. I feel bad for the dog and the cats. The no in voin to motor khaldona. Nana's gonna drive. Nana fans kain law ni box ka fans point ni tolaw ni. You all are Nana's fan now. Look, Mom, how beautiful you look in the camera. I love it.
Cats.
Oh, love it,
Cat's
baby.
unhappy.
Huh?
That cat's unhappy.
Baby, say hi. I'mong take care. Mask ako na take care. Those things are called take care, like the mask. It's one of our traditional dress, so it's called take care. So, kanuhi, she look beautiful. Look at her. Oh, I love this camera stand. Look, Scarlett. Oh, my Scarlett. Voin to koi tha kom don my Scarlett ki. I feel so pity on him. We have to do shut. We have to do shut. Look at her. She's like, I'm gonna do shut.
She does really good riding in the
Scarlett, say hi. Hi, fam. Say. Zote la lao trap ring. Our cat is crying. Meow. See? And then another one here crying too. So many. I intra talk any ring many. Kan theng chia chung lom phal si lo hei kanu lo langa kanu say hi.
Hi.
Ka fence te u.
Ka fence ua.
Kalome. Yeah, because everybody love you, so I make you say thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Kan theng chia what we gonna do today? We gonna ingi kan ti
Are
don
those masks back?
we le cat ha what
Did
we
you
gonna
bring
do
a
shot.
mask, Tori?
Yeah. We gonna do shot, right? Mom.
In a little
Injection, right?
bit. Yes.
We how ka injection kan ti don ni chumo. Do we do it every year or?
I don't know if I'm supposed to take one in first.
Are they at the same time?
I thought so.
Or the appointment?
Mm-hmm.
I'm not sure.
I don't know. I'm not going to put a mask on because I don't think we have to.
Nobody put it.
That lady didn't have
Don't want to
one.
waste them. Let's save it for maybe what.
Yeah, we'll just
Even
send
Walmart we don't need nowadays. Mas po hingay to lawa kan van to. We are so lucky. Scarlett, look at you. Why?
Stop.
What happened?
Why I took my seatbelt off.
Chwatsak to lutuk mo si wanna get out, I guess.
Tori, do we need to take her shocker thing in?
No.
Just in case we can carry. I feel like eating Scarlet cheese now. Look at that. Scarlet, look at that.
So we
Who is
gotta
that?
Do this gracefully.
Who is that?
Hmet.
Scarlet. Behave.
Settle.
Ay, kan chuk turong at boy chuk puya har to point sang Scarlet chu. I khulai chwa very chak thai lo to mo. Ay kang kal na turun niya. Hey, inang daw hin chu ma se veti yang kha ni veta mo. Hey Scar, you're so cute. I'm sorry. Kanuin, hey Scarlett, you show me ni ta Zimba. Hey po Zimba law kal. Hey Zimba. People love Zimba, I swear. Hey Zimba, ika. What meow, Zimba? 49.6, 49.8. Oh, sorry. Kalut về thì lo bộ hệ tăng cơ ngọc tốt à ô nè em phụ là hay
Okay. You can look around. It's okay. You've got pretty eyes. Simba. Come on.
come on Zimba 응 chọc đúng là lù về tốt tục Zimba khám nghe chọn
She could have a treat.
tục hiền Boma. It's like I want to get in my cage now. Hey,
Sit still, babe.
tu hi chu kan ti lang thei lo. I'm not sure. Oh. Simba.
It's okay. Let's say 11 too. Okay.
Ê, sao khá lạc quá thầy lâu mua mình không sẽ làm rồi. He's very handsome cat. Hey cat, Simba, look here.
He's nervous. He's nervous.
Simba, hey.
Oh, he knows it's coming.
Oh, he's so handsome. Oh, you wanna get again? Simba, what is her weight? Hey, come poop me ka. What is her weight, mom?
I don't know.
11 ounces. 1.2 ounces.
11 pounds.
Oh, Simba, I said, no, Simba, I'm heavier than Simba.
He's shaking to death.
That makes sense, right? Baby, get treats. Hey, get treats.
He had mites or...
Yeah, good girl. Aku hito siya veni oh.
They don't seem any different in ears either for them to look itchy. They don't seem red.
He plays outside a lot.
Ready?
Okay,
Sit.
maybe something like that, playing outside.
He plays with the neighbor kitty that comes over to our
Oh,
house.
okay, yeah, that could definitely be part of it.
Good girl.
But otherwise, he's been eating good.
Good, great.
He's all right. He doesn't.
Go to VRR. In the treats mo do bang kan.
Heart and lungs sound great. They look great on physical, other than these little bumps on the back of the
Yeah,
ear.
that just
Sit.
came there.
Okay. I keep
Good
an eye on
girl.
him and see if it was kind of just from playing outside.
Filler here. Peanut butter. Aya Scarlett hang. Try. I ate ya. Mom, did you give her already? Peanut butter? Did she just eat peanut butter?
No.
Am I just lying? Did I? Hey, kanla chune ka Scarlett po vaccine ang lawa. Siyaw ka lawa turo. Hey, look. Hello, tila. Hey, miso people, tila. Hey, miso people. Boop, boop, boop. I wish he barked on my camera. My camera. Mom khop me for into weekends niya. Very enjoyable with my husband here. Baby, rejection point. Scarlett ka. Not the look to kung ito. Uy, po mo sin ka. come on. Chia mo kan zau chia wi ka khongai to kan wi hi ka khongai top. I feel so bad for Scarlett. Oh, khongai lutuk Scarlett. Kan te se mo an athi ve da ka ma se azia tu ranga yang zotela lau trap rang boxing khoi tha run fui ko pe lo ya heta chuanin what was the reason we do vaccine?
To protect from disease.
Hey, na shang laka ven him nan. Is it compulsory or if you have any pets?
Yeah.
Compulsory. I campaign a compulsory tia chunchu I enge we pe keranga hinem tang khoi thlam ka ta ma se I in law compulsory tang run nei chuan ti ngi ngai ti he Scarlett ka ngi Scarlett ka he lai khoi thla kom Scarlett. Hey baby. Khoi thla to a sen pe kan china pe chang mo khoi tapani mai khoi tap.
Watch out, boy, watch out.
My teacher, come here. Did you press record?
No way.
Yes, record. Hey, saha kang.
Fish?
You didn't like it?
Saha kang do na nakina ka kang lai ti kalaw ti lang. Oh, eh tui don khop may pum hom na kanya tu na yan. Apum hianing grill la kan da don ni karon ti lang sel don niya. Tasip. Hey, sahang kang don sahang grill don na. Going to we encall na we what do you call Betty, right? When Betty and take a dance, that we can 6 on this and do vang. Boksa kay lawa I didn't eat the pork, so come here, you can come. Hey Lilia, say hi. To sahang kay do siyang don. My cameraman, come closer. Kasi may ito na tayong ganda to na chunga han soya sauce te chuanin wait if the camera is not straight it's gonna be come like that.
No, I did it straight on the fish.
Okay. Hey at chunga soya sauce te garlic powder te ganda ta ati altua na kan grill top don chumo oh may let's close for a while.
I think I just saw a spot.
Okay. Oh, whose carry is this? Looks so cute. Salad kan siya ma'am kanong yan recipe ro say ma'am tell me the recipe, okay? Hey pasta kanya John
Broccoli, cauliflower, pepper jack cheese,
pepper jack cheese and
pasta,
John
onion,
pasta niya
and add tomato soup.
Hey Italian sauce and Italian dressing, right?
Yeah, this is my favorite pasta salad.
Kamo puino favorite niya mo. John in hey kan siya kan vai
How you say yummy again?
Atoy lutuk.
Atoy lutuk.
Camera na ha. Okay, pass it and let's do selfie one and go. Hey, kan lo lang li Atoy lutuk. Hey, kanuin ay voksa siya ma'am. What is that? The smoke?
It's a shoulder, pork shoulder.
Vok shoulder.
Yeah, pulled pork.
Tell them vok sa. How to say it, Misa? I forgot. Voksa dar.
Barbecue.
Voksa dar.
Boxadar.
Yeah. Hey, lang. Some
Boxadar.
Voksa niya kanu siya man ito. It looks so yummy. Barbecue sauce nen.
I need to turn it on.
Yeah. Minchum saka hey kanuin ka rice ito minchum saka my mother gonna boil for me a jasmine rice. Hey, special. Daw in Voksan, I don't say kay Veslo. You're boiling rice and we're making fish for me because of what? Because I don't eat pork, right? Voksa ay lawa, say ma'am.
Boxa.
Ay lawa.
Elawa.
Kafanuhian.
Kafanuhu.
Kafanuhian means my daughter doesn't eat pork, so. Hey, then I still make well. Jasmine rice is very nice, right? To it top. Intan chong karon vok sham kam buai ne o chuban ne life po karon ti theo life kha chuan chil reng ngai sia. Hey, look at me this side. Here. Let's see Popo car. Oh, Popo got new car. Hey, kapa car turn ya. Hey, Eli kan mujak box ya. Let's stand here. Eli kan ya tero. Let's see. Here. Eli kha kan ya tila.
Pretty.
Hey,
What?
say your name.
Ninja Eliana.
Kamento Eliana.
Evie.
Evie. Hello, chào cảnh
Ninja Eliana.
hey, rồi, hey, khai anh Little burger. Let's stay yaki too. Fish. I'm eating fish.
Oh, fish. And rice. I love rice. Rice.
Lili ka Ellie.
I don't like it.
Huh?
You like to see me?
No, you can come closer if you want. No?
Yeah.
It,
I'm thirsty.
this is called mukbang, right?
Hi. I'm out of trippy. Yes, I'm out of the camera now. Who's eating the real fish? What does it taste like?
It's sour. No. I don't know how to say the taste. Oh, no.
You know you can just eat with seaweed. So that's tuna.
No, this is called
Eat with
tilapia.
seaweed.
Tilapia. Oh.
Eat with seaweed. But it's tuna, right?
Tilapia.
Eat with seaweed.
No, it's different. Yeah.
Eat with seaweed.
Na chu sang hadang niya hay chu tilapia niya. Tilapia ni mo minti sakter ta. Inda mem say inda mem. In law. Look at the camera. Look in law dam. In law.
Dam.
Vekem.
Can.
In komente. Antipuin. In shell. Kalom. Lutuk. Okay, let's get start eating. Who is eating faster? I'm gonna.
My tooth.
Huh? What happened?
I want more of this. Look at Eli.
Salad. What you want, Evie?
Did you see what Eli was doing?
What?
He was doing this. Look at that. Look at that.
I'm gonna get more rice.
You like rice, huh?
Don't touch anything, okay? I'm gonna pause the video, okay?
I'm gonna go get my real fish. Who's in a real fish cook? Dead. I'm thirsty. Who's in what's in the pond?
Sometimes it's a lot, you know.
I can't tell who's eating a real
So
fish.
you want some fish? Can I
No.
steal your chips? Why? Thank you.
I'm drinking
Are you shy?
apple flavored water. I'm drinking apple flavored water. You guys eat the I can seriously smell the fish.
Okay, let's cheers our cups here. 1, 2. Evie, come here. Cheers! Oh, you're so sweet. You cheers with your sister. Say your name, Mizo.
Eli. Coming to Eli. Coming to Eliana. Coming to
Coming to Evie. Coming to Pui. Why did you call me Pui?
Let's do Evie. Coming to Auntie Pui.
No pasta salad?
I already ate it.
Oh.
Now I'm on my sandwiches.
Yum.
So she doesn't mind. She doesn't mind.
Oh, John, that got my teeth.
What, Mom?
Yeah, sometimes we are teeth.
Yeah, get mommy to get it out. Mommy, good.
Hey, bring your chips. Let's do it. Eli, bring your chips. 1, who eat faster? 1, 2, 3. Wow.
Okay, right. Time to eat this.
Done. No, open.
And the bread and the chip. I'm done. Done. I'm done. Let's do it again.
You're my
No.
fish head. Look.
Yeah. No.
Anybody want to eat fishes? They all run away.
I see the bone.
Anh Lào về cái sáng hai ấy biểu lo.
The bone.
No.
Can I touch the one bone?
No, it's scary. Don't touch. You'll die.
Can I touch it?
Cái uy tuy xem one ấy về zel tu lo hay anh nói ấy đùa tu lòng. You don't want to eat. It's nice because I can eat all of that.
I never
I want to be
touched
stingy.
a fish in my whole life.
What?
I never touched a fish in my whole life. I can smell it from here.
Not
And a
good?
3 and a 1, 2. Ah.
Why the smell not good?
1, 2
I don't
and a
eat it
3.
on here.
Bam, bam, bam. That smell. Hello, friend.
Không sao gì.
Hello, friend.
Thấy đi phi đâu nhỉ?
This is coming to Evie, coming to Eli, coming to P.
Say hi, ladies.
Hi, ladies.
Hi, ladies and gentlemen.
Hi, ladies.
Oh!
Ooh. Hi.
It's looking at me when I walk by.
Oh, the fish.
Yeah.
Actually, Ellie ran away because scared.
How you got that? It's almost make me throw up. Cause look at the bones, the
What?
skin,
You scared of fish?
yeah,
What?
and the
I love the lock
tail. Do anybody eats tails?
It's okay, it's dead.
That's dead.
Mm.
Can I touch it?
You want to touch the eyes? No, it's the eyes of the fish.
You do not touch it. Why?
Maybe so alive.
Oh, that.
You guys lucky that you don't want to eat fish, because if you're gonna buy fish from the market, it's expensive to buy
Eli, where'd you put the remote?
cooked fish in the restaurant.
I have it. Pretty good. You know how to do that, Auntie Bree? Like that. You that troll, you feeling in it? I'm going to use some, guys.
What? Who is this?
What?
Okay, we will learn Miso now.
Come and shoot, Eli. Come and shoot you. Come and shoot.
Okay, man.
Come and shoot. Please.
Cái trồng bậy là có chán.
Come and shoot. Please.
In Benton, ngồi tổ đâu chơi rồi. Eat your food.
It's a food.
Once
It's a food.
is what? That's been at that to Shem. Say yes.
Yeah.
Ole, rồi. Ole.
Oh, wait. Look how much this. Right there.
Hey, look.
There's a
Oh, the
queen.
fish head.
There's a
Lawm.
queen.
Hey, the fish head. Hey, sang halu, sang halu, sang halu. Hey, lại, sang halu. Whoop. It's
Can I
fun.
touch it?
Ho.
Can I touch it?
Ho. You want touch the kagasangaluhin siya talang midang koy dyan. Oh, don't touch. Yuck.
The fish are both so
Oh my god, I'm gonna eat the brain now. At fuck,
You eating the brain? Where?
So I'll be smart like fish.
I can see the blood from the fish.
I'm gonna eat the brain. I'm gonna eat the culo.
Means the brain.
Everything.
Uh,
Yuck.
the brain is so good, guys.
I'm just kidding. I'm not eating. Don't go.
Evie, come back.
I'm eating the tail.
Okay.
Why you don't wanna be here?
No,
You guys are free to go.
Look at the video. Lucky you fit away.
Man. They all run away from me by seeing my head of chicken here. Hey, hi, come here. Yeah. They're like, can I touch the eyes? Kasangaluhi. Kasangaluhi. An koya. Man tan tre ba pa tan se loi loi ka bula pon chu loi en chu chon. Oh my god, it's so
And
flavor.
It smells disgusting.
Hmm?
Yeah, and it smells disgusting.
I almost finished the rice.
I'm out of this video. Goodbye.
Bye. Finish.